Imagine turning Pinterest into your personal ATM without writing a single blog post. Today, I'm revealing secrets that could change your financial future forever. Don't miss out. Envision unlocking a world where every pin on your Pinterest board is not just a spark of inspiration, but a potential income stream. That's right, we're talking about transforming your Pinterest account from a virtual mood board into a bustling marketplace. With you as the savvy shop owner, this isn't about turning into a content machine or blogging till your fingers go numb. It's about smart, strategic moves in the world of direct affiliate marketing on Pinterest. First up, let's demystify affiliate marketing. At its core, it's about promoting products you love and earning a commission for every sale made through your referral. But how does this translate to Pinterest? Imagine creating pins that directly link to products or services, each click bringing you closer to a payout. But it's not just about pinning randomly. Success lies in curating content that resonates with your audience, creating visually appealing pins that not only catch the eye, but also entice clicks. Key to nailing this strategy is understanding your audience. What do they love? What solutions are they seeking? Once you've got a handle on this, you're not just pinning, you're solving, recommending, and guiding. You become a trusted advisor, not just another pinner. The beauty here is in the simplicity. No need for a blog or website. Your Pinterest account becomes your platform. Now, how do you find the right products to promote? Affiliate networks are your treasure troves. From Amazon Associates to ShareASale, these platforms offer a variety of products that align with your niche. The golden rule: choose products you believe in. Authenticity is your currency in this space, and genuine recommendations forge stronger connections with your audience. By seamlessly integrating these products into your boards, you've turned your Pinterest into a dynamic storefront. The visual nature of Pinterest combined with the direct call to action in your affiliate pins can significantly amplify your affiliate marketing efforts. But here's the golden question: how do you drive engagement and turn those eyeballs into actions? It boils down to creativity and consistency. Engaging description, strategic keyword use, and timing your pins can make all the difference. Remember, Pinterest is both a social network and a search engine. Mastering both aspects is key to your success. Creating engaging pins that convert is not just about slapping a product image on Pinterest. No, it's an art and a science. Picture this: your Pinterest board is a vibrant gallery, each pin a masterpiece drawing people in. The secret: knowing your audience intimately. What captures their attention? Is it the sleek design of the latest tech gadget or the rustic charm of handmade jewelry? That understanding transforms your pin from a mere image to a gateway of possibilities. Now, the magic touch: compelling descriptions. They're not just captions, they're your sales pitch. Imagine you're whispering directly to the viewer, revealing how this product changes the game. Does it make their life easier, or perhaps add a sparkle of joy? Use words that resonate, create desire, and most importantly, trigger action. But wait, there's more than just pretty pictures and catchy phrases. Strategic placement of pins plays a pivotal role. Think of timing and context. What's trending? What season are we in? Position your pins where they flow naturally with your audience's current interests and needs. Here comes the clincher keywords. Pinterest thrives on them, making your pins discoverable. Slip into the shoes of your target audience. What words would they type in the search bar? Infuse these keywords into your descriptions, titles, and even your account bio. It's like leaving breadcrumbs that lead straight to your treasure trove of pins. Think about this: have you experimented with different types of pins? Rich pins, video pins, and product pins each have their unique allure. Diversifying your pin types not only enriches your Pinterest landscape, but also caters to the varied preferences of your audience. Don't forget to subscribe for more great content. Direct affiliate marketing on Pinterest is like unlocking a hidden treasure chest, but to find it, you need the right map. Today, we're drawing that map together. Imagine you have a fantastic product that aligns perfectly with your audience's needs. You create a pin, attach your affiliate link directly, and just like that, you've set up a billboard in the digital world. But it's not just about putting up that billboard. You've got to play by the rules to keep your treasure hunt smooth and profitable. One crucial rule is disclosure. It's about being transparent with your audience. Why? Because trust is your most valuable currency on Pinterest. When you add affiliate at the beginning of your pin description, you're not just following guidelines, you're building a bridge of trust with your viewers. They appreciate honesty, and that appreciation can turn into clicks and eventually conversions. Next up, compliance with Pinterest guidelines is your compass. These aren't just arbitrary rules. They're designed to ensure that Pinterest remains a vibrant, user-friendly platform. By following these guidelines, your pins are more likely to reach a wider audience, driving engagement and conversions. This means avoiding spammy behavior, such as overloading pins with keywords or posting misleading content. Authenticity is your best friend here. Now, think about this. How do you ensure your pins stand out while also respecting these guidelines? It's a fine balance, but it's definitely achievable with a bit of creativity and understanding of your audience's preferences. What strategies have you tried in your affiliate marketing efforts on Pinterest, and how have they worked for you? Pinterest isn't just a goldmine for do-it-yourself enthusiasts or recipe hunters. It's a bustling marketplace ripe for affiliate marketers ready to stake their claim. Imagine turning your curated boards into a captivating visual storefront, where every pin not only inspires, but also leads to a potential sale. That's the power of leveraging Pinterest's shopping features for affiliate marketing. Starting with product pins, think of them as your product's digital ID card. They provide vital details like pricing, availability, and where to buy, all neatly packaged within the pin. But here's where it gets interesting. Product pins are dynamic. Prices and availability updates are automatic, ensuring your audience always has the most current information at their fingertips. It's like having a sales assistant who works 247, making sure your pins are accurate and engaging. Shoppable pins take the convenience a notch higher. They're not just about displaying products. They're about seamlessly integrating the shopping experience within Pinterest. With just a few clicks, users can go from discovery to checkout without leaving the platform. It's a streamlined path to purchase, reducing friction and encouraging impulse buys. For you, as an affiliate marketer, this means the potential for higher conversion rates. But how do you make these features work for your affiliate marketing strategy? The secret sauce is in the curation of your boards and the selection of your pins. It's about creating a cohesive theme or story that resonates with your audience, making your board not just a place to shop, but a destination for inspiration. Your choice of product pins and shoppable pins should align with this theme, ensuring a seamless and aesthetic shopping experience that your followers will love to explore. Now, imagine the possibilities. A board that's not just a collection of pins, but a curated shopping experience that reflects your unique style and recommendations. It's about taking your audience on a shopping spree, not through a crowded mall, but through a carefully selected boutique that you've created just for them. How will you curate your Pinterest board to turn it into an affiliate marketing haven? How will you harness the power of product and shoppable pins to elevate your affiliate marketing game? In the world of affiliate marketing, Pinterest stands out as a goldmine waiting to be tapped into. Picture having a platform where your affiliate products don't just exist, but they come to life, visually captivating your audience and whisking them away on a shopping adventure right from their screens. That's the power of using Pinterest effectively for affiliate marketing. First off, when it comes to optimizing your product listings, clarity and attractiveness are your best friends. Think about it. When you're scrolling through pins, what catches your eye? High-quality images, compelling descriptions, and most importantly, an understanding of what the product can do for you. When creating pins for your product, focus on showcasing them in real-life scenarios. This not only makes your pin more relatable, but also allows potential buyers to envision the product in their own lives. Now, onto leveraging rich pins. Rich pins are like superheroes of the Pinterest world. They provide extra details directly on the pin itself, making it incredibly easy for users to get the gist of what you're offering without the need for a detour. Whether it's an article, recipe, app, or product, rich pins amp up the visibility and the informative value of your content. For affiliate marketers, product-rich pins are invaluable. They automatically update important details like pricing and availability, ensuring your audience has the most current information at their fingertips. But remember, the essence of Pinterest is inspiration. Your strategy should not just be about showcasing products, but creating an aspirational lifestyle that your products fit into. This means curating boards that tell a story, adding pins that contribute to the narrative, and making sure every pin, be it product or inspirational, aligns with the aesthetic and values of your target audience. Now, I'll leave you with this question. How will you transform your Pinterest boards to not just attract clicks, but to actually inspire and convince your audience that your recommendations are the keys to their aspirational lifestyle?